You made a mistake, but you are not a mistake. You are not a bad choice. You are not a terrible mistake. You are God's masterpiece. Receive His restoration. Masakit ngayon, pero lakas mo yan bukas. What hurts you today will be your strength for tomorrow. Hindi natin basta kinakalimutan ang ating ginawa. Hindi natin minamaliit ang ating ginawa. Pero hindi tayo lumilingon sa nakaraan dahil yun ang ating destination. Kaya tayo lumilingon kasi yun ang ating inspiration. We are inspired na kung tayo ay pinatawad ng Panginoon, alam natin that we can move forward and that the best is yet to come. Hindi ka nga binitawan ng Panginoon eh. Bakit mo sinusukuan ang sarili mo? Hindi ka nga binitawan ng Panginoon, bakit mo binibitawan ang sarili mo? Pastor, gusto ko magbago. Pero every time nagugustuhin ko magbago, magkakamali ako. Well, suggestion ko lang, never rely and trust your flesh. Your flesh will fail. God will not. You cannot be changed by your own